Hey, welcome back. I was gonna shoot this as part of another video, but I was getting long-winded, and I figured I might as well do this separately. I ended up getting a Ruger RXM, and it comes with two of these PMag Glock magazines. So this is a Glock 19 sized 15-round magazine. So I thought I'd give them a try. Just to be on the safe side, I went ahead and bought a Glock 19 magazine just to be safe. The Glock 19 magazine is actually a touch shorter. The base plate's larger on the PMag, but yeah, just a little bit, not a big deal. This is a Glock 17 mag. I had purchased a FX9, which is an AR style 9mm, and it came with this ETS magazine. This magazine is supposed to be a 32 round magazine. I could squeeze 31 into it, but I definitely couldn't fit 32 into it. The spring also gets a little bit weird with the follower, and it does function fine. So that hasn't been an issue, but I think that's going to relegate this to just a range only mag. I did, out of curiosity, get some other ETS magazines. This is another 32, so these are both supposed to be 32 round magazines, but it looks like ETS has made some changes. The angle has been changed on this magazine, and then from here down it's actually a little thicker. So it looks like they've made some improvements to these magazines. And this one seems to function as well as this functions, but I can get those other 2 rounds in it. Now, I also got a Glock 17 sized 17 round magazine, holds the 17 rounds with no issue, as does the Magpul, holds its 15 rounds with no issue. I also bought some 22 round ETS magazines. I think I bought 3, 3, and 3, and then this is the only one I have of this. This particular 22 round magazine, I cannot fit 22, well, I can fit 22 rounds into it, but it seems to swell something in here, and I've tried it in multiple pistols and AR9s, and it swells it just enough where it gets a little tight. It's not that it wouldn't function, it just seems a little bit tight. So the older style, I would imagine, 32 round magazine, I only fit comfortably 30 rounds. The 22 round magazine, I can comfortably fit 21 rounds, so down 2, down 1, but to the newer version 32 holds 32, and the Glock 17 size 17 round holds the 17 rounds fine. I'll be playing with these magazines at the range. None of these are certainly up to Glock quality of the magazines, but the Glock magazines are sometimes almost twice the price. But in the long run, I think I'll be going with reliability in Glock magazines. I very rarely heard of an issue with factory Glock magazines. Also, at a local gun shop today, they happen to have a brand new, it's an Olean, so it's a newer manufactured K-bar. It was brand new in the box for 60 bucks, so I picked that up, so I thought I'd brag about that a little bit. Other than that, that's it for this video. I just wanted to talk about some Glock aftermarket magazines. Again, the ETS seemed to be fine. I'm sure in the zombie apocalypse, if I have nothing else, I will just be using them. The PMag Glock magazine seems to be a little bit nicer quality. Not having bought the PMag separately, I don't know how the price compares to the ETS. ETS are fine. I think the PMags might be a little better, but I haven't used them yet. And of course, the Glock factory magazines, what can you say about those? They're always perfect. So have a nice day, and don't shoot your foot off.